Good morning to viewers. My name is Raju. In this video, we will learn about subject mathematics, class 10, 11th chapter trigonometry. In this introduction part. So first, in our daily life, we measure the heights, distance, slopes, some using mathematical techniques. But mathematical techniques comes under trigonometry chapter. Okay. So in this, take right angle triangles. So here, let triangle APC is a right angle triangle. Here, angle A is a acute angle. Here, given angle ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC, right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Here, 90 degrees opposite side is called hypotenuse. It is the longest length, longest side. In the right angle triangle, longest side is called hypotenuse. Next, given acute angle, opposite side BC is called opposite side to angle A or angle theta. So here, AC is the hypotenuse, longest side AC is the hypotenuse. BC is opposite side to angle theta. Next, remaining side AB, adjacent side to angle theta. Okay, so in this right angle triangle, longest side length hypotenuse, and given acute angle opposite side is called opposite side to angle theta. Next, remaining side is called adjacent side to angle theta. Next, trigonometric ratios. So here how many sides? Total 3 sides. So here we can divide into 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. Next, so here sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side to angle theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side to angle theta by hypotenuse. So ratio between these two sides, BC by AC is equal to sin theta. Next, cos theta, adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse is called cos theta. Here AB by AC is equal to cos theta. Next, tan theta, opposite side to angle theta by adjacent side to angle theta. Ratio between opposite side to angle theta by adjacent side to angle theta. Ratio between these two sides is called tan theta. Now tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to angle theta. When this hypotenuse value AC and opposite side to angle theta BC. AC by BC, ratio between these two is called cosec theta. Here AC by BC. Next, secant theta. Here hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle theta is equal to hypotenuse AC by here adjacent side AB. AC by AB. Ratio between these two is called secant theta. Next, cot theta. Adjacent side to angle theta by opposite side to angle theta. The adjacent side is equal to AB by BC. Ratio between adjacent side to angle theta by opposite side to angle theta. Ratio between these two sides is called cot theta. Next, relationship between trigonometric ratios. So first, sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Here hypotenuse value, hypotenuse cancel, opposite cancel. Here 1 into 1 you will get 1. And sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Sin theta, product of sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. Here cosec theta value transfer this side, this one. We can write sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Next, cosec theta is equal to sin 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta reciprocal is sin theta. Sin theta reciprocal cosec theta. Product of sin theta and its reciprocal is equal to 1. Next, same second one, cos theta into secant theta is equal to cos theta value we can write adjacent side by hypotenuse, and secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Here adjacent side adjacent side cancel, hypotenuse to cancel, is equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. So in this, cos theta is equal to this value transfer this side, this secant theta ratio transfer this side. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Here secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay. So cos theta and its reciprocal is equal to 1. Product of cos theta and secant theta is equal to 1, and product of sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta into cot theta is equal to tan theta into cot theta. Opposite side by adjacent side into adjacent side by opposite is equal to, here opposite cancel, adjacent cancel, it is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Next, cot theta value transfer this side. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta reciprocal cot theta. Cot theta reciprocal tan theta. So tan theta, product of tan theta into its reciprocal value is equal to 1. Next, sin theta by cos theta is equal to, sin theta value we can write opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here denominators get cancelled. Here opposite side by adjacent side is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Tan theta value we can write sin theta by cos theta. Here cot theta is equal to, cot theta reciprocal 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta is equal to 1 by sin theta by cos theta. Here this one we can write cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta means is equal to cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Here we can write cos theta into tan theta is equal to sin theta, or tan theta by sin theta. Here sin theta by cos theta, tan theta is equal to cos theta. Here sin theta into cot theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Next, trigonometric values of some specific angles. That's specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. Here theta is an angle variable. So theta plus we can substitute 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60, 90 degrees. Here sin theta. So this value is equal to, this value is first I am 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to remember this value? Sin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First number 0 to 4. Next, each number divided, take square root of, and again take divided by 2. The square root of 0 value is 0. 0 by 2 value it is equal to 0. Sin 0 value 0. And root 1 value is equal to 1. 1 by 2. This value 1 by 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Here root 2 ones are root 2. Root 2s are root 2 into root 2 2. So here root 2 root 2s are 2. Here this value is equal to root 2. 1 by root 2. And sin 60 value root 3 by 2. And the square root of 4 value 2 by 2. Here 2 to cancel. It is equal to 1. Sin 90 value is equal to 1. Sin 0 value 0. Sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 90 value 1. Okay. Next cos values. So cos values, right, this is reverse order. Here first cos 0 value 1. Next root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. 0. Okay. Next tan 0 value is equal to sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 value 0. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Next tan 0 value, tan 30 value 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here denominators cancel. Here 1 by root 3. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to sin 45 by cos 45. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value sin 1 by root 2. Next to tan 60 is equal to sin 60 by cos 60. Here root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled, root 3. Next to sin 90 tan 90 value sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 value 1, cos 90 value 0. 1 by 0, it is not defined. The denominator value is equal to 0. So here not defined this value. Tan 90 value not defined. Next cot. Here write it. It's a reverse order. Here cot is equal to cos by sin. Here cot 0 value sin 0 by cos 0. It is equal to 1 by 0 not defined. Next to cot 30 cos 30 by sin 30. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Denominator get cancelled. It is equal to root 3. Next to cot 45 is equal to cos 45 by sin 45. Yes, equal values get cancelled. It is equal to 1. Next to here cot 60 degrees 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here denominator cancel here. 1 by root 3. Next to cot 90 is equal to yes 0 by 1. 0 by 1 0. Okay. Cosec theta. Cosec is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosec 0 is equal to 1 by sin 0. Here sin 0 value 0. 1 by 0 is equal to not defined. The denominator value is equal to 0. So it is not defined. This value not defined value infinity. Here cosec 30 is equal to 1 by sin 30. 1 by sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 is reciprocal to 1 by 2 reciprocal to. Next to cosec 45 is equal to sin 45 value 1 by root 2. So it's reciprocal root 2. Next to sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Cosec 60 value is equal to its reciprocal 2 by root 3. Next to cosec 90 is equal to 1 by sin 90. Sin 90 value 1. 1 reciprocal is 1 only. Next to secant is equal to 1 by cot theta. So secant 0 value 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 value 1 by 1. 1. And secant 30 is equal to reciprocal of cos 2 by root 3. Next to secant here 45 is equal to cos 1 by cos 45. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2. It's reciprocal root 2. Next to 1. Secant 60 is equal to its reciprocal to. Next to secant 90 is equal to 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 value 0. 1 by 0 value not defined. Not defined. So here sin 0 is equal to cos 90 is equal to equal. Sin 0 value cos 90 value equal. Sin 30 value cos 60 value equal. Sin 45 and cos 45 value equal. Sin 60 and cos 30 value equal. Sin 90 cos 0 value is equal to equal. Tan 0 value 0 and cot 90 value 0. So these two are equal. Next to tan 30 value 1 by root 3 and cot 60 value 1 by root 3. Next to tan 45 and cot 45 values equal. Next to tan 60 value root 3 and cot 30 value root 3. Next to tan 90 value not defined and 0 value not defined. These two are equal. Next to cosec 0 degrees is equal to secant 90 degrees is equal to not defined. Next to cosec 30 degrees is equal to secant 60 degrees is equal to 2. Next to cosec 45 degrees is equal to secant 45 degrees is equal to root 2. Next to cosecant to 60 degrees is equal to secant to 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Next to cosecant to 90 degrees is equal to secant to 0 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Next to complementary angles. Complementary angles. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So how to remember this complementary angles? So here observe sin 90 minus theta. Here add O. Here sin, cosine, cos means cosine. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cosine theta. Here add O. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cotangent. Tan means tangent. Tangent 90 minus theta is equal to cotangent theta. Here add O. Next to secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Here add O. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant 90 cosecant theta. Here add O. In this 3 add O. Here code. Next cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cosecant minus 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Here cot means cotangent 90 minus theta is equal to tangent theta. Here cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Here remove co. Here remove co. Okay. Next trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. So in this immediately trigonometric identities, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next here sin square cos square theta value transfer this side. It will change into here plus sin change into minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next second identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And this tan square value transfer that side. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Or tan square theta is equal to this one transfer that side and this one transfer this side. Here tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Next cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here cosec square theta is equal to this one transfer that side. Here 1 plus cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta. Next cosec square theta minus 1 cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Here this one transfer this side and 1 value transfer this side. The cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta.